Hi guys, I'm Hasba with WTI, and just like anyone in the world, I sometimes feel achy and a little stressed out. So that's why this oil blend has been great. This is the Sensual Massage Oil, which is made with almond, jojoba, and lavender oils. This blend it makes the perfect oil for those days when you really feel like you need a good massage, relaxing, and feel like you are in a spa. I love the fact that the fragrance is not that strong. It's just really pleasant. It really smells like lavender. And I like it because when I'm getting a massage done, I don't want it to smell too strong, so strong that I get dizzy, but I really want it to feel like a relaxing part of my day. I started using it after taking my showers when my skin's still damp and it really feels good. But especially at night, I ask my husband to give me a massage. And then I can go to bed and sleep like a baby. It doesn't matter what skin type you have. In my case, I have oily skin and it works well. My husband has really dry skin and he loves it too because it's not sticky, so that's really important. So if you're looking for an oil blend to give your significant other massages for them to feel relaxed, or if you're single and you want to give yourself a relaxing evening after taking a shower, well, this one has helped me a lot and I love it. I just love how it smells and how it feels on my skin. And yeah, that's my point of view.